This is episode 2 of my portrait series. So today we will learn how to shade face. Okay, so this is my episode 2 of my portrait drawing. So today we will learn how to shade a portrait face. So let's shade. So for shading face, we will need some essential things that are flat brush, 2B pencil, 2H pencil, or you can also take a 3H pencil. So these are essential for face, and grab a eraser in your hand. So we will start with the help of a 2H pencil. First, give a base layer to your drawing. And do not make lines like this. Always do shading like this, so that it will be easier to blend after we have drawn. Giving a base layer to the face is the most important thing during shading a face. Okay, given a base layer to the face. Now take a flat brush and just blend it like this. Blending with the tissue paper is also good, but I suggest that using a flat brush for a face is very useful. Now I have blended the face. And now I will take one 6B pencil. I am taking here 6B pencil. This is a woodless 6B pencil, but you can take a normal 6B pencil and just outline these, because eyes are dark, and use a 2B pencil for the outer surface of the pupil. Now take a 6B soft graphite pencil and make the pupil. Same with this eye. Also darken the eyelids and the eyebrows. Okay, so now I am done with the eyes and I'll move towards highlights. So the highlights are done. I have drawn the nostrils and the nose line. I have shaded them and I have shaded the lips, given some highlights and added some lines with the help of the 2B pencil. So now our base, lips, eyes and nose is ready. That's all for today. So thank you for subscribing me and watching my videos. So I wanted to tell also a tip that you can also shade shadows from your reference. The reference are different from each other. So as the reference is, you have to shade as that way. You can add shadows with a greater grade pencil. Like if you have drawn the base layer with HB pencil, you can take 2B pencil to draw shadows. So that's all for today. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon, like to my videos. Bye.